here in the farmland, boys. All right, guys, so the surfboard's calling for like 5 to 6 foot. The wind is coming kind of hard, like cross shore. So just kind of on a mission today to find a rideable wave for the bodyboard. I'm really looking for today, guys, is I'm looking for some barrels. Even if it's closeouts, that would be awesome. If you guys have watched my recent videos, I live in Georgia for the majority of the year. And although I have a ton of fun bodyboarding in Georgia, it doesn't barrel there very often. So when I see 5 to 6 feet, I'm gonna definitely be looking to get some closeouts, some barrels, some ramps, bodyboard delight. So yeah, we're almost there. We'll check the spot out. All right, guys, we just got here. We're the only ones in the parking lot, which is not the most promising sign, but let's go see what we got. Doesn't look like, oh, it doesn't look good right here, let's be honest. Maybe down to the left. Oh, shit. Look at this thing coming in. Officially is not happening here. It's just breaking right on the beach. It'd be different if they were like closing out a bit, but it's kind of just like a mush burger into the sand. It's pretty cold out too. It's probably like 40 degrees. So we're gonna get back in the car, check out the cameras, and decide where we're moving to. And we're back on the road. It's gonna be a longer vlog, I can already tell. So the further north I go, the more the coast kind of bends in, which I think is better for this wind direction. Because I've looked at some cameras further south, and it's just, the further south it is, the worse it is. So we're headed northbound to see what we can find. All right, just searched the cameras and I just saw a wave that spit, and it's 10 minutes away. So we are gonna go check that out. What is this guy doing? Ah, scenic little road. Look at this thing building. And I have found this beach break that looks semi-decent. A lot of closeouts, a couple barrels. Got the new board, and we're about to go out. So the fact that there's nobody out means that it's probably not that good. The surf forecast is like 5 to 6 foot, and it's not quite that big here, but so nobody out, windy, shorebreaky. Sounds perfect, guys. Sounds good. So I only have like an hour out here. The game plan is to just try to catch as much as I can. I'm gonna just throw myself into some closeouts, maybe just try to do some tricks. gotta be kind of careful because there's a double wave going on sometimes where right behind some of these waves is another wave. Careful when I come back up if I wipe out. We'll close out. I had it all wrong at first. I was trying to go right, and the lefts are way better. Oh shit. I had an older, really good surfer tell me that when the conditions are kind of bad, he was saying like, oh wait. He said just, you know, you just got to try to get 3 or 4 waves and that makes the day. So like today, I'm just trying to hit 3 or 4 waves.